Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Outback potato soup easy method. Begin by washing and cutting potatoes into even chunks, then heat butter and sauté onions until translucent. Add garlic, potatoes, and chicken stock, simmering gently until potatoes are tender. Mash some potatoes for creaminess, then stir in milk and seasonings to taste. Finish with crispy bacon or chives for garnish and serve warm to enjoy. Use gentle simmering to extract starch without breaking all the potato pieces and maintain a warm, steady boil to control texture. Reserve a cup of cooking liquid before mashing so you can adjust consistency easily. When you stir in milk or cream, lower the heat and whisk slowly to combine without separating. Taste and adjust salt and pepper incrementally, remembering you can always add more but not take it away. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help me make more recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep drives fresh after grocery trips and soup runs. It's a small treat that makes leaving the house nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals, then hit like if you found this useful. Now let's get back to the video. Layer flavors by adding smoked ingredients like bacon early for depth, and finish with acid or heat to balance richness. A small dash of Worcestershire or hot sauce lifts the soup and prevents it from tasting flat. Fresh herbs at the end add a bright note and visual appeal, while toppings like shredded cheddar or scallions personalize each serving. Always taste before serving and adjust seasoning for a balanced, comforting bowl.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.